In 2025, side hustles are evolving faster than ever, and if you're looking to make extra money, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles that are profitable, scalable, and future-proof, breaking down the pros, cons, how to start, and the biggest pitfalls to avoid. First up, AI-powered content creation. Using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva, you can automate blog writing, social media posts, and even faceless YouTube videos. Pros, low cost and passive income potential. Cons, competition is rising and purely AI-generated content can lack originality. Biggest failure, relying entirely on AI without adding a human touch, leading to low engagement and possible bans. How to start. Learn how AI tools work, pick a niche, and combine AI with your creativity. Second, print on demand with AI-generated designs. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases using AI-generated art on platforms like Redbubble and Printify, without holding inventory. Pros, low startup costs and passive income potential. Cons, high competition and sales can be inconsistent. Biggest failure, expecting instant success instead of focusing on trending niches and SEO optimization. Third, high-ticket affiliate marketing. This involves promoting premium products and services and earning commissions of $500 plus per sale via platforms like ClickBank and PartnerStack. Pros, no product creation, huge earning potential. Cons, requires strong marketing skills and trust building. Biggest failure, many beginners spam links instead of providing valuable content. How to start. Build a brand on YouTube, TikTok, or a blog, and recommend products you genuinely trust. Fourth, virtual assistant for content creators. YouTubers and influencers need help with editing, scheduling, and engagement, and you can get paid for handling their tasks. Pros, no experience needed, just basic Canva, video editing, or social media engagement skills. Cons, it can be time-consuming. And competition is rising. Biggest failure? Underpricing yourself. Always charge based on value, not time. How to start? Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or Facebook groups. Lastly, local service arbitrage. You act as a middleman, connecting service providers, like cleaners, painters, or landscapers with customers, without doing the work yourself. Pros, no specific skills needed and high profit potential. Cons, requires strong marketing and negotiation skills. Biggest failure, not vetting service providers properly, leading to unhappy customers. How to start? Pick a high-demand local service, create a simple website, and market through Facebook ads or Google My Business. And there you have it, the top 5 side hustles for 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Remember, success takes time and effort, so don't expect overnight riches. And of course, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more money-making strategies. See you in the next video.